to record some videos of my truck, and so I made my girlfriend drive it and I'll record it. Now she doesn't want to get off it. She could barely reach. Look at it. She moved my seat all the way up. You like it? Why, you like it?
Yeah. Can I drive to the corner store?
You can do it.
Yes.
There's a lot of cars.
Can we?
Yeah. Go slow though.
Go me.
Okay.
This thing doesn't.
Because my mirrors aren't gonna be good because you moved the seat.
I know.
Okay. Oh shit. Let's see how this goes.
Babe, why doesn't your thing work?
Gotta do it hard.
It doesn't work.
That looks better. Go slow if you want to. Remember, you're wide. My truck is wide.
This bitch is big.
You like driving there or what?
Yes. It's like I'm on a cloud, I wish I drove this when it wasn't lifted now.
I mean, you did it once when you were barely learning how to drive. Remember?
I was barely learning how to drive. Why is there so many fucking cars?
I told you.
Am I too close to the right?
Not the right. You're too close to your side.
No.
Sure? How do you like it so far?
It's fun. I just feel like I could run anybody over at this point.
Technically, you can, but let's not do that. Hasta para acá. You have to do wide turns. No te pegues mucho because my rims. Vas a dar vuelta, pega. Dale. Torce más. It doesn't rub anymore. Look.
See, I'm better at turns than you.
What you mean?
I got it better than you did.
You're doing all slow and shit.
Well, yeah, that's how you're
Some
supposed to do
chinga.
it.
Some chinga. What the fuck? That's fucking creepy as fuck. He's working the corner. There you go.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah, why?
I don't know how I feel about that.
You're always giving shit to the truck and now you're in love with it. Of course I have to record it.
This bitch better not fucking make us die.
Is that Tony? That ain't Tony. You gotta do it like right now. Like right now, start braking.
Can I just park at one of the gas stations?
I'm gonna park right here.
I can't see the parking spot.
Well, you're not gonna go all the way for it. Go back.
I'm used to the middle.
If you only can park in the gas, just go backwards. Just make sure there's nothing coming and you don't hit the pole.
Huh? What?
The pole behind you? You're good. You're right in the middle of it.
Ah, bitches, I got it. Don't take that part out.
What are you doing?
I don't know what way your wheel is there. Babe, I'm too much on this side.
Just go straight. It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Hit the ball. How am I way if I hit the ball?
Really pissed off. But it's already fucked up, so I don't do shit about it. I like how you're going real slow.
There?
Yeah, that's good.
Can I just look at that?
Yeah.
When your girlfriend can't drive?
How do you get off? Look how big the truck is compared to you.